lot more customers.
Yeah,
because he needs a lot more customers.
Yes, please. Please.
Hello!
Hi, everybody.
It's Marcus, and who's this?
Who is this? This is Mechanicus.
Mechanicus. Yeah, it's so cool to be here. And wifey's behind the camera, of course, but you know, we surprised this man. We were laughing quite hard. We were going to surprise him, and he, of course, you have so little time for us.
Yes,
but we will do. Yeah, but we will do a quick little video. We are here in Friedberg, right?
Yep, right.
Yeah. Also
the center of Saab, of the Saab universe.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, but still close to Munich. Yeah. Pretty close.
Yeah.
And I think you're only like 3 Saab garages around Munich area. Yeah,
we had some contract dealers, but they all closed their workshops in the meantime.
Oh.
Because if you can't sell new cars, it's not very interesting for them to repair Saab cars. Yeah. So it's but it's okay for me.
Yeah, and they also need an old guy to repair these old Saabs also, right?
Trash, yes.
No, but if you have probably some of the Saabs here are your own, but
no,
that's
my own. But all the other cars are client cars.
Can we just show the street? This is the street where he lives, and I'm sure all the neighbors love him. And also check the other way, because there's so many Saabs here. It's crazy, really crazy. And crazy. You are a one-man company.
Yes.
So that's kind of cool, right?
Since I started the workshop here in 1996. Yeah. And I'm working on Saab since 1986.
Oh, that's crazy.
So that's quite a long time.
Crazy. It's
so
fantastic.
this year is 40 years Saab and 30 years on this place.
Oh wow!
Yeah. So I should make a big
a celebration.
Celebration, yes.
When are we invited? Or can we
of course. Yeah. Every time you like. I have a grill over there, so it should be okay for 2 or 3 people.
Oh, that's perfect.
No, you're an animal. I know that.
Yeah, but still, and you told us you have 12 years until retirement also.
Yeah, of course. Maybe it's 12 or 20. I don't know.
Yeah, something like that.
I'm not good with numbers.
You're just beginning your career.
Yeah. Yes, indeed.
It's so nice. But it's great to be here. I'll take the camera from wifey. You must say hello to wifey also. Hello. We're just going a quick tour because he has much to do.
Yes.
So we just say hello.
So So I cleaned up the workshop just for your video.
Yes. And this poor guy was writing invoices when we came.
Yes.
And now
but just because I'm pretty poor and I like to get rich.
Maybe that's what we should have done, wifey, write invoices. Yeah, but here is you live here in this house with your wife.
Yeah.
And this is the garage with one of the biggest Saab signs we have actually seen.
I think it's close to 60 square meters and enough for 1 lift.
Yeah.
So
But also you had a warehouse somewhere else with a lot of Saab parts.
Yes, with a lot of Saab crap stuff.
Yeah, you need a lot of crap.
Know, yes, it's like in East Europe. You know, it's better to have something instead of needing it.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, it's crazy. So let's take a quick tour so we don't take too much of your time.
Needs just a little paint job.
Oh yeah. That will be expensive to fix this, right?
Yes. So yeah.
And also, you said you are a TÜV garage here. It's so cool.
Yeah.
I mean, this little place. That's very impressive.
You think?
I hope so.
Okay.
I hope so.
I think the biggest thing on this place is the huge Saab sign over there.
Oh yeah. Yeah. This is really impressive. Really impressive.
Yeah. Rather impressive. Yeah. So. Yeah, as you can see, Saab stuff all around.
This is perfectly normal.
Yes.
Do you mind if I kill the lights just so we don't, the camera will flicker so much?
Okay.
Thank you so much. What do you think, wifey?
Yeah, it's really cool here.
Yeah, yeah. And we met this guy at the Saab festival. And
Yes.
Nice song on the radio.
Oh,
Money for
that's perfect.
And
That's
chicks
money,
for free.
money for nothing. That fits perfectly.
Yeah.
And also, I forgot to ask you, but you have customers coming from a long distance.
Yes, yes. A lot of clients from Switzerland, and also from Hessen, the Main area.
Oh wow!
So, yeah, it's because some workshops. Yeah, you know, the people, the mechanics get old, and so it's good to have a guy like Sebastian.
Yeah.
Because he's young.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're young
But
also.
yes, and I already have a, Nachfolger.
Followers?
Yes, it's the last Lehrling I had.
Oh.
So he also had has a workshop, has a own motor production, overhauling motor engines by himself, and he's 50 kilometers in the west, and he picks up cars the last 3 or 4 years at my place and start to learn again.
Oh wow.
And so, but I think he will handle that.
I think you're an apprentice working on Saabs. You would be, not Saab maybe, but it's still better than BMW, right?
Yeah, no, I didn't learn anything else than Saab.
Yeah.
Okay, before I worked on Ford,
Yeah.
but all my lifetime is Saab the center of my working life. So yeah, and of course classic cars. So
Yeah.
it was always super for me to have an old car.
Yeah.
So my first car was a Borgward Isabella Coupe.
Oh.
So nobody, but this was in 1979. Everybody said, well, that's a piece of crap,
Yeah.
What do you do with the car? And I said, it has 75 horsepower. So imagine in 1959.
Yeah.
Super. And the shape. Yeah, shape, okay. Don't give a shit.
You don't have to walk. You can take the
And
car.
the first contact was when I was workshop leader at Ford.
Yeah.
One of the clients brought a Saab 69.
Oh wow.
And I said, what the heck? He wanted to buy a Ford Grenada,
Yeah.
and wanted us to buy the car. And I said, yeah, okay, you can give him 4,000. It's in good shape for that age.
Yeah.
And my boss said, age? What do you mean? The car is 1980. And it was in 1982.
Oh.
I said, aha.
Yeah.
Who will buy a car like that in 1980?
Yeah.
I don't know. He's from Finland. The guy is from Finland. They are a little bit weird, maybe.
Yeah.
And so I said, "What's the price new? Oh, I think about 13,000 Deutschmarks." Ha! That's. And so, Saab was for me something for people who are not maybe a little bit weird in their mind.
Yeah, that
And I
makes
said,
sense.
I never would buy a car like that.
Yeah.
The first car I bought was a 69.
Yeah.
Totally wrong.
And also because little Saab people are weird. That's why we suit so well here.
Yes. And so, and all the clients
Yeah.
too.
Oh yeah.
Yes, in a way.
Especially the clients.
Yeah, because it's not a Jaguar or
Yeah,
something.
yeah.
It's a Saab. So if you spend 5,000 euros in the car to fix something, it's most of the time it's more money than the car maybe is worth.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah. So if you have a 9.5
Yeah.
in good used condition,
Yeah.
so the money is away and you don't have made profit
Yeah.
as client. But okay, for me it's
Yeah. For you, it's
for
okay.
me it's okay. But I always tell the client before.
Yeah.
Say, just think,
Uh-huh.
babe, if it would be my car, I would put it to the junkyard or eBay.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And they have to make her mind up, and so.
Yeah, but it's your baby. It's very emotional, you know. It's
Yes,
your,
of
many
course, of
many
course.
memories and
Yes,
stuff
yes.
with the car. So yeah, it's fantastic.
I think I have 10 cars and all registered.
Oh wow.
So, yeah, crazy.
Yeah,
Nobody needs that.
yeah, but still, you're not the worst one we heard about.
If I get retired, I have to sell the stuff.
Oh,
Because then I'm poor, you know. No,
Yeah.
to fix convertibles or,
Yeah.
Or something, I can do this in the age of 70.
yeah. That's great. That's really cool. And this is your location. You do like all the work on the engines and gearboxes and everything.
Except paint.
Except
you know,
paint.
paint shop is not so
Yeah,
nice, but gearboxes and all that.
yeah.
The car gets. I put the gearbox out. 900. I just have it on the lift
Yeah.
and dismantle it when it makes this.
Oh wow, cool. And you know where everything is going to be.
Yes.
Just easy fix.
Because I did I had the education at Saab itself.
Yeah.
When Saab was existing, there are some diplomas over here.
Oh, so they gave you a diploma also.
No, I think the paper was cheap.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Oh, that's fantastic. I mean,
yeah, Saab dealer of the year. No, it was the time when I was employee at Saab.
yeah.
Says they did a test and we won the test.
Oh wow.
They brought a car with lots of faults,
Yeah.
but I knew the guy who brought it,
Oh.
and I knew that his father had a Ford workshop.
Yeah.
So I said, this guy drives up, never ever.
Yeah.
So we did the perfect maintenance at the car.
Yeah.
And found things. Oh my God! Loosen seat belts and all that stuff.
Oh wow. Cool.
And so we're the tramps then.
That's crazy. Fantastic. And also you told me about the dangerous stairs. Yeah, they look
Yes.
pretty. You're a pretty flexible man.
Yes.
Unlike appearance.
Yeah. There are only not so heavy stuff over there.
Oh yeah, I hope so. I hope so.
Yeah. So just the electronic stuff. And, yeah.
Yeah, but still, it's a cool garage, and everything doesn't have to be tidy. You're a mechanic. We understand.
I would wish that sometimes comes in the night time. Comes somebody over there and clean it up.
Yeah.
Because once a year it get me on my nerves.
Yeah.
And so I clean it up. But after that I don't find anything.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's too
So
bad.
I know I have it, but what was the logic behind storing?
Yeah. Yeah.
I know I have it, but I don't find it.
But at least you have all the CDs there, and you have all the.
Yeah, the
it's
computer is.
What
running.
is a computer?
Yeah, that's a, because I have to.
Oh, it's still running. Oh.
I think yes.
Oh wow.
Because the workshop system is on this.
Oh. Wow. Oh.
You see?
It's this.
Sometimes I need
Oh my
glasses,
God.
you know.
Yeah, I could understand that because, but still, it's working.
That's from the last thing I did was a 93 convertible 2005.
Oh wow.
With the sensors in the mechanic.
Yeah. But here we were thinking you were not a tech guy.
Yeah.
So it's crazy.
So
we will unfortunately
we can do
leave you now.
A bigger video
next time. Next time we do a video.
Because when I'm still living, you know, old man.
No.
Old people.
Yeah,
you know.
but you know you keep fit. You know you have
Yes,
holes
yes.
here and stuff. You know.
That's by the way, it's an original Saab.
Yeah. Oh, I noticed that. Yeah, so cool.
You know,
really nice.
when they sold it in Sweden for €5
Oh
or something.
wow, that's crazy. But
At
you
the
look
Saab Festival. So I bought them 10, and I'm using it.
very chic, very chic. And tonight you're also going to the local Saab club meeting.
Yes.
Yeah. So
It's not a club. It's
Oh.
just a loose group of people
Yeah.
who love Saab.
Yeah, and drink some beer, maybe. Or something.
1, 2, 3, I don't know, and
Okay.
eat some schnitzels and all that.
Oh wow, that's nice. But thank you so much for having us, wifey. And because we hope to come back to you soon.
Yeah, maybe next year or something. Not so long time than we met last.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because we know each other, I think 10 years.
Oh yeah, something like that. And I'm only 20 years young, so it's a long time ago.
Okay.
But we link to you to your Saab Mechanicus information here in the YouTube video below, so you get a lot more customers.
Yeah,
because he needs a lot more customers.
Yes, please. Please come on over to my place. But seriously, for a coffee, it's always okay.
Yeah, okay, that's nice. But until the next video, take care. Bye bye.
Bye.